Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove background from a photo on iPhone with iOS 16. This is a new iOS 16 update, and if you have already updated your iPhone OS to iOS 16, then you should definitely check out this feature. So let's get started. With iOS 16, you can easily remove background from images directly on your iPhone without use of any third-party app. You can now easily convert the image into the transparent background picture, share it, save it as an image, or use it as a sticker. First, open Photo app. In the Photos app, open the image from which you want to remove the background. Let's say you want to remove the background from this image. Now press and hold on the subject until the white glow appears around the image. You can drag the subject and it will be lifted off the background, and you can drag and drop it anywhere you like, such as in iMessage or WhatsApp. Once the white glow starts showing around the image, you can stop pressing the image and you will get a pop-up menu with the options copy and share. With the copy option, you can copy the image without the background, and then you can paste it wherever you want. And with share option, you can share the image or save it as a new image. You can even follow these steps on Safari browser to share or save the image with a transparent background. So that is how you can remove background from a photo on iPhone with iOS 16. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.